Hi guys, today we are going to see how we can do a market analysis using UrbanEyes. So we start a new project and we now locate a site. Let's say we are looking for Barcelona, Spain. Let's zoom in on the maps to select a site that we want. And I'm zooming in and you can pick any random site or any site in particular that you're looking for. Once we find what we need, then we can draw on that area using the polygon tool. You can clearly demarcate the entire area and it immediately tells you the area and the center. Let's now jump to market analysis. Now you can see we have several categories to look to, and per se we are interested in all the cafes nearby. You can see that it has immediately found all the nearby cafes to our site, and if you zoom out you can find more cafes. It also tells you the nearby competition, the market density, and your opportunity score, along with, of course, the names of all the nearby competitors as was seen on the map. Now, let's say you're interested in pharmacy and drugstore. Of course, there are a lot around the area, and then you move to clothing and fashion. Again, you have a lot of other competitors, and it tells you all of the information that you need. Similarly, for any other kind of business type that you would be interested in, let's just click on data source. Let's wait for the map to load. And if you hover around, you can now see what areas it was looking at. Then you can also directly export the nearby competitors, but let's go to the interesting part, which is the market analytics. We see the busiest hours. You can download everything so you can directly export it. You can see the weekly patterns, the user behavior analysis, which includes the customer profile, strategic insight, market positioning, etc. Now, if you want to do a deep analysis for something specific, per se, you want to open up something, you want to open a cinema and a theater, you don't have a target audience, but you have an initial budget range and you want to see if on this site you have some potential. So the website immediately gave us a deep analysis, and the verdict is that you have a 65% chance of running a successful business because you have a high foot traffic estimate, your accessibility score is pretty good. Then, as per strategic visibility, you have all the important metrics. And then, of course, if you scroll further down, you get individual deep dive analytic metrics, which are the most important when it comes to market analysis for a site. And you can again download all of these, export to any kind of presentation that you want, and you get all of these consolidated into one place ready for use. Thank you.